Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. So All American had a booth at the superb Food Independence Summit. And look at all the colors they're going to come out with very soon. Although the yellow is so nostalgic, I'm really partial to the gray one. Tell me in the comments below what color canner you would like. I got to meet some really wonderful people from All American, and I got a t-shirt. They also supplied 2 All American canners for our canning extravaganza in the superb booth, and that was amazing. I really enjoyed getting to use those. I got to see their can sealer. Excuse the noise, it was a little busy in the booth, but here's the video of that.
Lock it up. And you might want to come on this side.
He was fine.
So once that second arm comes in and comes out, you stop.
How long does a product last in that?
Shelf life is.
Look what's going home with me. Not one, but 2 921s. I just want to say a big thank you to All American. I'm flabbergasted. Thank you, All American. I might ride back here with them. Is that okay? I'll just stay back here with them. I am so thankful I got to go to Ohio to the Food Independence Summit. Be sure to check out this next video we've selected for you. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time, Rebel Canners.